I think right now it's a lot about the technology, what are the use cases, and I think that it's overhyped. There are really interesting things that we can do in the future. The pieces didn't come together yet, right? So this whole data scientist thing, and we need to predict our revenue. It's very frequently thin air, but or churn analytics, right? Most churn analytics is done descriptive, not predictive. And you're just applying your historical learnings moving forward. It's not rocket science or like magic machine learning here, really. And of course, a lot of people will disagree, but that's my perspective. I think there's opportunity though, right? Again, coming back to Moore's Law, every 18 months hardware capacity doubles. What means we will have so much more compute power, and things just come together. You have more data, what means you can do better machine learning, better prediction, right? The CTO of Google says we don't have better algorithms, we just have more data. And I think this will come true for more than just Google companies. So we can collect, store, compute more data, therefore machine learning will get more interesting. Therefore, I think we will have more meaningful results moving forward. And I think what I'm again excited about is deep learning, because deep learning kills data science, right? So 80% of the data science work is feature selection, data preparation, where you're like, okay, which of the attributes is really interesting? And then tuning your algorithm to get meaningful results, where basically both is, again, I'll oversimplify here, disappears with deep learning. Deep learning actually absolutely transparent is selecting features for you. You don't even know what it's actually doing, right? So if you think, cool blog post from Google, how they use deep learning to improve their language recognition, their speech recognition system, they basically just trained the new engine based on the old engine and just reapplied all the voices, like a little baby. Here's some voice recordings, go figure out what that is. And it learned phenomenally good. And then they tried to understand which features did deep learning actually use. So I think this will get really interesting. This requires way more compute. So deep learning for even a larger company right now is challenging. So the companies that are really there is the usual suspects: Google, Apple, Facebook. For the kind of normal financial services companies to get to deep learning in a meaningful way will take a couple more years.